what's up guys? Calvin Runs here, back at it with another video. I know it's been a while, I've been slacking. It's been like a year since we've done the workout videos, but yeah, we're back, don't worry. Today we got, so just completed a 3-mile warm-up. Then we got, oh shoot, you can go. Anyways, what's up guys? Today we're doing a workout. We got a Fartlek type workout, 5 to 6 by 4 minutes on, 90 seconds off, just easy jogging. If the weather complies, we just got here. Finished my 3-mile warm-up. We'll see how it goes, I guess. We'll just wait the rain out. Cut! If the weather complies, should be, I think it's fine. We got, yeah, we've been waiting all day for this, but it is what it is. Alpha 2s. I wouldn't really recommend these, but I got them for like $100, so if you can get them for cheap, get them, but they're not my favorite shoe. There's so much going on, so that's why I'm wearing them in this weather.
Just left the season of depression and anxiety. Now I never doubt because my father proud of me. I pray my soul stay intact until I'm in the ground. Used to trip about my sins, but they don't haunt me now. I tried to outrun shame and guilt for years. He said meet me at the water, now I'm feeling crystal clear. With God on my side, ain't nothing I could ever really fear, right? Yeah. But how you go and change the boy like that? How you go remove my stains like that? No other gods can really love me like that. Send a prayer and get blessed right back. Ain't no devil in my plans, just evidence of God's hand on that. Yeah, this my story, this my testimony. Yeah, and we gon' take it to the farthest corners. Yeah, I had to get my life right. I was losing my light, and then I realized that you really are.
How's the workout?
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah. It was good. I only ended up doing a minute off because I was feeling good, so yeah. Humid, but we got the work done. Ons were about 5, started around 5:30, 5, just like a little faster tempo. Worked down to like 5:20 the last one. Didn't go lactic at all, which is good. Felt smooth. Now we got some hills and then cool down and then a lift and then we're done. Could be worse. Could be worse. Let's go to the hill. My shoes are so heavy. Last one. Workout done. I'm about to go do a mile or two cool down. I did 3.5 this morning, so that'll be like 14 on the day, which is great. I've been just cruising like 65 miles a week, which is the most I've been doing. Looking to do big things this season. Go work today. Thank you for Chris for filming. Thank you for watching. Just remember, just, you know, likes, comment, subscribe, share. I'm just doing this for fun. Thank you for the baseball players who are cheering me on the whole time. And yeah, that's a wrap.